Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on the night light mode and how to turn it off in Motorola Razr 60 phone. So where to find this mode? The easiest way to do it is to simply on the main screen swipe top to bottom again, and in this shortcuts menu we are looking for our mode. Here it is, night light is here, so we can enable it tapping it once. We can of course turn it off tapping it once again. Pretty simple, pretty easy in our quick menu at the top. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.